So this is my evaluation video for phase 3 week 4. Yeah, I've started on 2 of the remix really properly, and then the third one, as I mentioned, I'm just prepping it for my guitar teacher so we can have that collaborative session. Then we can get the guitar down, because I want that to be the driving force and start with something different, because the other two I've just started my computer with just one shots and things like that. But I want to have melodic element as the starting point that isn't the vocal. Well, of course it is the vocal, but alongside the vocal, so that'll be cool. In preparation, next week, before I go to him, I should probably think about what I want to show him in terms of references, go back to my research, so my phase 1, and look at what I wanted to, was it phase 1? I think it might be. Whichever phase was the research. When I go back and look at examples of an acoustic guitar, what I thought about them, tell him that, and then also tell him about the minor stuff and how I put the thing in a major key sounds a bit overly happy, and a minor sounds better with the Carol G song. Besides from that, as the other 2 remixes, I'm pretty happy. Of course, I haven't really had the chance to. I've listened to them briefly through proper monitors, and I know the mixes are of course rubbish because the laptop speakers are not good. But there's not really much I can do about that in my current position. I think I've done fine for this week. It's just a matter of changing the processing. No, in future, when I go back to college, exactly next week, after Easter holidays, using proper monitors in college, and then going back and properly mixing these songs. That's pretty much it. I think besides from that, I'm very happy, still on track, and I was really worried that I have to rush creating 3 remixes, but really, if this third one goes the same pace as the first 2, I'll be flying through. Like, I've got 4 weeks to do this. With 1, I've got 80% of 2 remixes, and a good idea, or excited to do the next one, if anything, so I'm not slowed down mentally, like I'm still very much in the flow of it. The remaining weeks, it's gonna be good. Obviously, I think I need to keep doing these videos, doing as many videos as I can now, because I don't want to spend all my time while I'm composing the remixes documenting. Although I understand documentation is really important, I want to just really do a deep in-depth dive into the documentation once I've finished the remixes, because I could go and document this whole thing that I'm doing now, then scrap it all because it sounds shit, and then it's just. So I will, at the end of each session, just go through, show you the video, because I think that's a decent way of doing it. I hope. Then at the end of it, once I've completed each remix, then I'll do a proper deep dive. But yeah, until then, I think it's pretty good. Happy with this week, and looking forward to the next one.